Hi guys, thanks for watching part 2 of this bedroom makeover series. I'm going to show you what I got here. These curtains came from Kohl's. I'll have everything in the description box because I did videos when I purchased these items. But everything on this bed except this furry throw came from Kohl's. This throw actually came from Homegoods. But the pillows on the bed with the same texture, of course, came with the set. I'm going to point out those pillows that I bought individually. This oblong furry one I bought at Kohl's, and this shiny silver one I bought at Kohl's, and this one, this gray one, I actually bought. It matches the one on the other side from Kohl's. Did a video on these. I got them at the Pier 1 Imports going out of business sale. I'm putting one of these on the wall. And I've got these little baskets down here in the corners, a couple of them to hold pillows, so if the guest wants to get rid of all these pillows, they have somewhere to put them, so that means I'll probably have to buy more. I am doing a part 3 because I have some more decor that'll be arriving that I want to put in here. And the end tables, you know I got these from overstock.com. And I've got some crystal candle holders as well as a crystal light. And these both came from Amazon.com. And I want to show you this headboard. It matches a little bit, but not quite. I wanted something a little different. And this is like a sandy, shimmering kind of color. Look at the background of these curtains. You'll see the color matches the lines in this rug. And if you look at the color behind the lines in this rug, you'll see that that texture color matches the actual comforter. Hey guys, this is where I need your help. In the comments, let me know if you like this throw on the bed. I can actually take it off. So I could either have it on the bed or off the bed. Let me know which one you prefer. But anyway, I really wanted to share with you guys the way these hue lights work. They actually have, of course, the colors that can change the look of the room if you get tired of the decor, because you can't just change your decor all the time, but you can always change your lighting. So that's what I like about these lights. My son Avery loves these lights because you can actually make them move with your voice, and you operate it all through your cell phone or your computer. So let me give you a sample of what I mean.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.